guys, so now we are going to learn how to do the escalator, which is this move. Ta-da! Alrighty, first things first, take the hoop on the right hand side, palm facing forwards, and we're going to place our right foot over so that we poke our toes through. So our right foot goes over and through. At this point, what we want to do is we want to really push that hip across our body to our opposite hip. So from the right side, we want the hip to bounce onto our left hip. But to make the hip come up, we really need to step inside with that left foot. So we bring that left foot in as we tap it onto that left hip. We need to use a lot of energy for this so that the hip will spiral all the way up our body. It will take a little bit of practice doing this move, and it's quite scary at the beginning when you want to let go of that hip, because we push it here, we think, oh my goodness, where's it gonna go? So just remember to let go. Quite often we will, from this point, we hold on to that hip and bring it out, and that's fine. That's like a fake escalator where we just step inside and bring that hip out, but we really want to let go. So from here, practice tapping the hip on your left hand side, see how far you can get it up, and then what we want to do is we want to tap that hip onto the left hip and bring it behind us so that it goes back onto the right side. So it starts on the right side and ends on the right side. It's okay if you catch on the left, but we really want to be catching it on the right side. Alright, so from here we step through that hoop, right foot, toes pointing or tucked under, excuse all the traffic, and we want to push it all the way over and we get that hand ready. So as we go in, our left arm comes in as well, so we're going through that hoop, so it's in. So let's do that with the hand off. So you can start with your left hand in the air if you like, and we tap it along and we catch this side. So from the back angle, we step in and the hoop's going behind us, so we swing it around. From here, tap, tap, and bring it all the way around. Okay, I hope that was a good tutorial for you guys. Get practicing and enjoy!